Hi everyone, and welcome to the first video of this course. I'm Ishkin and let's get started. In this video, I will try to explain what really artificial intelligence is in a simple way. But before that, I want you to know that for this course, you don't need anything installed on your computer. Okay, what do you think of when I say artificial intelligence? I can guess that probably you imagine something like this, or this, or maybe even this. So these are kinds of pictures that came up when I googled for artificial intelligence. Actually, you can apply artificial intelligence on real robots or machines, which can be very useful or very scary. However, in the next few minutes, I'm gonna give you a better picture of what AI is, and I think in the end you will have courage to think about how it is used. On the face of it, Uber app is so simple. With just a couple clicks, you can request a taxi within a few minutes. But the point is, behind the scenes, there's an advanced technology platform which based on artificial intelligence. Uber uses AI for fraud detection, safety processes, risk assessment, matching drivers and riders, route optimization, driver onboarding, and just about everywhere else it's possible to apply. But what's AI? As you have probably noticed, AI is currently a hot topic. Media coverage and public discussion about AI is almost impossible to avoid. However, you may also have noticed that AI means different things to different people. For some, AI is about artificial life forms that can surpass human intelligence. And for others, almost any data processing technology can be called AI. Actually, there is no exact definition of AI, but I just added famous ones. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to complex software that performs tasks in a way similar to human brains, often by sensing and responding to a feature of their environment. This could mean learning to solve problems in unexpected ways, recognizing the nuances of the speech, or exhibiting some form of human-like creativity. Another definition can be like this. AI is a multidisciplinary of science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. Great! You just learned what is AI and how big companies like Uber uses AI. Now we can start exploring structure or forms of AI, and I will be waiting for you in the next video where we'll start doing exactly that.